At Bond Head Southeast, a unique sewer project demanded perfect solutions. The first stage was to install 2.3 kilometers of 600mm perfect pipe, Canada's next-generation composite of HDPE-lined concrete pipe, engineered for durability, corrosion resistance, and watertight performance. The plan comprised of a 14-meter deep open-cut installation under constant mechanical dewatering. Next came the 1,500mm perfect maintenance holes, delivered with gaskets cast in, precision cast channels, and precast drop structures. No field shaping, just safety and accuracy built in. All sanitary maintenance holes were waterproof sprayed, a touch that reinforces long-term durability. And the final challenge, 4 crossings over TCS pipelines, a high-stakes task answered with a flawless execution. The perfect pipe, the perfect maintenance holes, and the perfect fit. Because when the job demands precision, only perfect will do.